Gardeners love their compost bins, but for most of history, composting happened right in the garden bed. Early growers built soil where crops grew, layering organic matter like a forest floor, no hauling, no waiting. The garden bed became a living, slow-motion compost heap, uniting fertility and cultivation. Imagine a woodland. Leaves and twigs break down in place, feeding the earth below. Nature's own system. Let's rethink our waste, not as something to remove, but as the building blocks for next season's abundance. This simple, efficient approach teaches us to build life directly under our feet. Creating a living soil bed is easy. Just layer materials right where you'll plant. Start with coarse, woody stems or twigs for drainage and long-term carbon. Add a generous green layer. Grass clippings, kitchen scraps, leafy weeds. This fuels decomposition. Next, a brown layer. Dry leaves, straw or cardboard to balance moisture and prevent smells. The secret is balancing greens, nitrogen, and browns, carbon, for steady breakdown. Top it all with a thick layer of soil or finished compost. Your planting zone and odour filter. Plant seeds or seedlings right away. Roots will reach nutrients as layers decompose. It's immediate, efficient, and mimics nature's own cycles. Layering invites earthworms and microbes, nature's gardeners, to do the work. Earthworms mix and aerate, while microbes break down material into plant food. This method supports a no-dig approach, preserving vital fungal networks and worm tunnels. Each year, simply add new layers. The soil grows richer, darker, and more water-retentive. Beds need less watering, and fertility builds itself. You're not forcing the soil. You're partnering with it, letting life flourish below. Gardening becomes a process of building a thriving ecosystem from the ground up. Worried about smells? The soil cap traps odours, keeping everything fresh. Concerned about pests? Burying kitchen scraps under browns and soil keeps them out of reach. This method is less attractive to pests than open compost bins. What about plant safety? You plant into the clean topsoil, not raw compost, so roots are protected. By the time roots reach decomposing layers, nutrients are gentle and available. Compost bins are great for waste management, but this method is about building living soil. It's a holistic, self-sustaining system, decay and growth working together. You're not just managing waste, you're creating a vibrant ecosystem for your plants. Why try this old method? It's easier. No hauling compost, no turning piles, just layer materials, plant, and let nature do the rest. It works in raised beds, frames, or even large containers. No special equipment needed. Use what you have. Leaves, weeds, prunings. Nature isn't picky. Composting becomes part of the garden's life cycle, not a separate chore. Watch as the soil level sinks and fertility grows. Nature's process right before your eyes. Start with one bed. You'll see the difference. Forget perfection. Layer, plant, and let the garden thrive. This is gardening that cares for itself from the ground up.